In our earlier days, we have learned about mensuration lesson to volume and surface area. Volume part we have learned. There we have discussed various types of solids and their volume. Volume means space occupied inside, and volume will be the product of the three dimensions of the solid. Okay, now we'll learn about the surface area. Surface, you understand, a cuboid has got six surfaces. A cube has got six surfaces like this. No, every solid will have some surface. This type of figure, which is called cylindrical solid, this will have one curved surface and two plane surface like this. That surface, then what will be the area of the surface? That is what is our concern. You all know about, some of the general aspects of area. Area always will be given in square unit. Volume will be given in cube unit. Now, before we move on to surface area, we must know about some of the formula of surface area. Surface area of a cube is 6a square, where a is the length of each side of a cube. For a cube, length, breadth and height, all the three dimension of equal length. And that is why each side of the length, if it is denoted as s, then it has got six surfaces. So each surface will be a square, because cube area, square area is a square, side into side, and it has got six surfaces. That is why 6a square. So remember this way, square cube is related to square, because it front face is just like a square, isn't it? So it has got six surfaces, so 6 into a square, where the side is a. Now a, how will you conversely find it out? A will be root over of 1 by 6 surface area. That means surface area divided by 6 under square root. Could you understand me? Now surface area unit will be always a square unit. Now for cuboid, the of length L, breadth B and height H, surface area will be 2 into product of the length and breadth plus product of the breadth and height and product of the length and height. Product of length and breadth and height and length and height, summation will be multiplied by 2 times 2 into y, because it has got 6 sides. You think that means front face and back face of this thing will be length and breadth. That area will be length and breadth, and it has got 2 like these sides. Now with the breadth and the height, you have got area, so that will be 2 times front and the back, so that will be breadth and height. Then length and height also will have a surface, so that will be the area of the length and height of one side. You have got two faces, I said you have identical area. That is why 2 into LB plus BH plus LH, where L is the length, B is the breadth and H is the height of a cuboid. Cuboid is related to rectangle. Rectangle area is length into breadth, that way. Okay, now area of the four wall of a room, which is very, very important. Remember it. It has got a perimeter. See, area, how will you find out? Perimeter into height. Perimeter of a rectangle into height. Remember that, because wall will be having what? It will be, wall will be having, if you multiply with the height, you will find the perimeter with the height. If you find out, then it will be the wall area. Could you understand? 2 into LB plus H. Remember it. Now for a cylinder of radius R and height H, what will be the area of a cylinder? This is a cylindrical shape I have tried to draw. See, circle area is pi r square. Here is one circle, here is another circle. So 2 pi r square, isn't it? Now this is a curved surface. Pen, all around this, all around the pen. If you see pen, all the around part, the round part, that round part will be, that is its curved surface. Curved surface, the area will be 2 pi r h. 2 pi r h will be its area. Could you understand? So curved surface area will be 2 pi r h, and total surface area will be 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square, because pi r square plus pi r square. If you take 2 pi r common, then r plus h, that will be the formula. Now we'll take some sums from the exercise 2b. and that is page number M26 and 27. See, second one I have taken. Other sum are very simple. Surface area of a cube is equal to 294 meters square. Therefore, cube surface area formula is what? 6a square. 6a square is equal to 294 meters square. If a is the side, that will have to write in bracket. Now a, how will you find out? Surface area divided by 6, that will be under square root meter square, that I said to you. This is the formula I said to you. So you'll have to go on. Then a, just make it simplified. You know, it will be divided 6, 6 can divide 294, and it will be 49 meters square under root over 4. So it will be plus minus 7. It cannot be have the minus value, therefore it will be 7 meter. 7 meter is the side of the cube. You need to find out the volume of the cube. So volume formula you have learned in previous session, that is volume is equal to a cube. So volume of the cube will be 7 meter cube. So 7 into 7 into 7 meter cube, that is 343 meter cube. That will be the answer. Moving on to question number 5. Second one, the question is said to you, 3 cubes joined edge to edge. 3 cube. This is 1 cube. Front face I have kept. This 1 cube, this cube, 1 cube, this 1 cube. Then it will form a cuboid shape because its length will be greater, but the breadth and height will be 4 meter only. Try to think all these things. So 4 meter plus 4 meter will be its length. That means 12 meter will be its length. So that 3 cubes of edge 4 meter are joined end to end to form a cube. Hence the length of the cuboid is equal to 4 plus 4 plus 4 meter is equal to 12 meter. Therefore the breadth will be naturally 4 meter only, and height will be 4 meter. So surface area of a cuboid formula is 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. Put in that formula and multiply 2 into 12 into 4 in bracket 12 into 4 plus 4 into 4 plus 12 into 4, which is equal to 48 plus 16 plus 48. 48 plus 16 plus 48, if you do it, it will become 112. 112 into 2, 224 will be the surface area of that new cuboid form joining 3 cube of 4 meter side. Okay, now moving on to question number 9. You know that the dimension of the cubical box is given to you. The length is 50 meter, breadth is 60 meter, and height is 70 meter. So you need to find out, you know, the cost of making, a steel box. 20 steel box will be made. So steel box, a steel box, the surface area is a concern for it. So you find out the surface area of this 1 cube box surface area, 2 into length into breadth, plus breadth into height, plus length into height. That will become 10,700 centimeter square into 2, which is equal to 21,400 centimeter square. This is 1 cubical box's surface area. So 20 such boxes will be 20 into this, which is equal to 4,28,000 centimeter square, and 4 lakhs, and the rate is rupees 60 per meter square. So total cost will be 60 into, this is 4 lakh centimeter square, convert into meter square. 1 meter square is equal to, that is 10,000 centimeter square. 100 into 100 centimeter square. So this will be divided by 10,000, so that you will make it a meter square, 4.28 meter square. So rate is given to you rupees 60 per meter square. 60 into 4.28, which is equal to rupees 2,568. So that will be the total cost to make 20 such steel box. I hope you have understood. I will cover some more sums in the next video.